This is a Black History Month, February 2020. And this February, we celebrate, of course, being black. And we celebrate all the people who helped us during the civil rights movement. People helped us with fighting colonialism, etc. We celebrate Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Nelson Mandela. We celebrate all the people who made it possible for us to be able to live freely as we do right now, even if it's to a certain extent. And we do join you in these celebrations. But in Black Geology and in Guchisachi, we don't just stop at that. We also celebrate the ancient Africans, the ancestors of the Africans, and we celebrate what they did, their education system, their spiritual system. We celebrate things like the Ofo is a stick, and the Ogu, which represents being upright. And we celebrate ideologies like a Kweme, which is doing what you say you will do. It's a very high-ranking idea for you to be a person who honors your word, whose word is their bond. It's a very high-ranking way of being. And the ancient Africans developed these concepts and had these concepts in their communities, and it made their communities workable. There were no prisons, and there weren't any crazy things like we have these days. So we just want to honor them. At Geology and at Guchisachi. Take care.